Alright guys, I received my front lip, okay, did not put it on the car yet, I'll just open it now here and see how it looks like. Let's see. Okay, I never saw it till today, I was waiting to finish installing that wide fender thing. Let's see how it goes. Always nice to receive car parts. At least the guy understood and sent it to me bubble wrap, so it doesn't really get damaged. Yeah, can't wait. Just go over there. More riveting? Are you joking? Or oh, no. If I need to rivet this, I'm gonna rivet on this is the rivet. Opening it now. Alright, so I see what's so that's it. Goes as such. That'll be in the front of the body. It's quite wide. I don't know if I prefer my RTR compared to this, but maybe I see what's going on. Need to go down then. So this one I would definitely do it in a shop because I need to raise the car. I can't do it myself. I can't be bothered anymore. Let's see. Sorry. When I take the car for cutting, when I take the car to cut the, how you call it, the rear quarter panel, then I will fix this one at the same time. Same shop, same everything. End of the story.